Well, today's blitz is about how to transport your window. So, a couple of different ways you can do it. First of all, the main thing is to keep it upright. That's very important. So we're putting it back here. Now, one thing you could do is sit back here and babysit it while someone else drives. That's something you could do. But if you're driving, that's a little hard. So if you put it back against your back seat, what I have done, David thinks I'm silly, but what I have done is I will bring, okay, I can't reach the seat belt, but I'll bring the seat belt around and plug it right in so it's just as safe as a little baby back here. Or we can just set it back there in the back seat, and it's always been safe.
Don't slam on the brakes.
Oh yes, don't slam on the brakes. You know what you could do is get the kids' stuffed animals and put it right in front. Or if it's winter time, I've been known to take off my coat and put it right here too. And David thinks that I'm just being overly cautious, but it's glass and it's my baby, and so you have to be careful with it. So those are just a couple of ideas of how to transport your glass safely, and that's what we want to do. So thanks for being with us. A truck is going by, so it's loud. Alrighty then. So see you next time, in or outside of the stained glass studio, and we'll see you for our next blitz.